Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.2% in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil rise 0.7% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices hit a two-week high, underpinned by rising geopolitical tensions and expectations of a third US rate cut by the Federal Reserve next week, while the market's gaze shifted to US inflation data. The Canadian dollar edged higher against its US counterpart as oil prices rose, but the company held near an earlier 4.5-year low as investors bet on another supersized interest rate cut this week from the Bank of Canada. Microsoft shareholders voted against the resolution to add Bitcoin to the company's balance sheets. During the firm's annual meeting, it was recommended that company uses between 1% and 5% of the firm's profits to purchase Bitcoin. The board called the proposal unnecessary and said the company already carefully considers this topic.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
As the week unfolds, the economic calendar will spotlight major economic data, alongside reports of moderate importance. Traders should stay vigilant, as these events may signal shifts in market momentum and investor confidence. Staying prepared for the market impact of these events is crucial. The potential volatility might present chances for strategic repositioning in the days ahead.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.